In the words of Rev Nkomfa, uthuleleni Thixo, kutheni Nkosi uthe cwaka nje, inene uSathane uyabusa emhlabeni. Hello guys, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani? Gogo Maweni has 3 kids and 3 baby daddies, right? Today we are going to talk about one of the baby daddies, former Sundowns and Orlando Pirates soccer player Siyabonga Zulu, who sadly passed away in a car accident earlier this year. It is evident that he is definitely not resting in peace and he's haunting Gogo Maweni. Watch this clip and I will be back with the rest. Maweni has said so many times that she is very vindictive, so I am not surprised that she went through hoops to destroy the father of her own child. And my opinion on this is that she really must have loved Umfilona. She even went to a show called Papgeld because she desperately wanted his attention. She went to his home and quarreled with his family. It was just so much drama between them. She's spoken about him so many times also, now even in his death. She resorted in bewitching him and she says that so proudly. This is sad. Imagine their child finds out that mom bewitched dad and he's going to find out. Imagine that. He'll never look at her the same. And the internet doesn't forget. If you are on social media, you do leave digital footprints. If you've got a social media account, you leave digital footprints. My heart also breaks for the guy's family, Siyabonga Zulu, having grieved for their son. That wound that was slowly closing is now opened up again by her. If you can bewitch someone to spend his money on alcohol, why can't you bewitch them to love their kids and support the kids with the same money? Okanye the things of darkness just want its destruction, not good. Why can't you use the powers that you have for good and not for destruction? That's my question. As for Gogo Maweni's husband, that guy with the head, he is as bad as his wife, and he's also in it too deep. If you agree that deadbeat baby daddies should be punished like this, then you are just as evil. Case closed. Anyway, what do you guys think of this situation? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will love you for it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.